15 bank officials have already been taken into custody, and another 2 are believed to be on the run. And the minister in charge of the operation to clean up Nigeria's banking isn't mincing her words.
This is a very serious situation. It borders on economic sabotage of this country.
Nigeria's anti-fraud police have been targeting many of the wealthiest people in the country, accusing them of taking out fraudulent loans and engaging in blatantly widespread corruption. To drive home the point, in the course of this campaign to clean up Nigeria's financial affairs, the accused were named publicly, shamed by the authorities in a bid to force them to comply. The anti-fraud squad says the bankers were effectively handing out free money to many of the most powerful tycoons in the country. Critics say disputes over debt repayment are a civil matter, to be resolved legally between the banks and its debtors, not the government. The minister, however, shot that argument down.
Some loans were given under some fictitious conditions. Money laundering comes in, banking comes in, economic crimes come in. So that's the basis, and don't let anyone tell you this is civil. If it was civil, then we wouldn't bother.
Those who have been accused of corruption allegedly owe 5 banks more than $5 billion. Among the charges they face are accusations of money laundering, insider trading, and manipulation of the country's markets for personal gain. Critics, however, insist this campaign is not the way to fight corruption, and say the government is going about this the wrong way.
Where the loan is being disputed, they should be subjected to the due process of law. The due process of law will be by referring these matters to the appropriate courts to determine whether there are debts or whether they are doctored figures.
Nevertheless, despite these criticisms, the government says it's taking these steps to reassure not just the international community, but also the Nigerian people that the banks they rely on are above reproach. Owen Fay, Al Jazeera.